Can you buy stocks with a credit card? Yes, you can absolutely buy stocks with a credit card using your credit line. Now, why would you want to do this? It's because you either want to leverage your credit to invest money. You could generate credit card spend if you're trying to achieve a credit card sign-up bonus, or you want to indirectly get a loan. Now, if you indirectly get a loan, you're paying a significantly lower rate than a cash advance. Now, in some cases, you might be charged a cash advance. In my testing of Stockpile, I have not been charged, but if you do get charged a cash advance or any type of bank fee, I can show you how to avoid those bank fees. This is Full Value Dan, where I cover all the finance hacks and ways to save money and gain money for doing nothing. It's a lot easier than doing side hustles. It's just you at home taking advantage of all these bank promotions. Follow for more, stick around till the end because there's a lot you need to know about how to use Stockpile to buy stocks with a credit card. Now, yeah, actually, watching till the end of the video helps me out a lot, and if you like the video, that helps even more. And with that, let's get started. Oh, that's my hand. It's pretty nice, huh? It's very clean. I washed them today. All right, using your credit card to buy stocks. Using Stockpile. To use Stockpile to buy stocks using your credit card, it's going to cost you 3% plus 99 cents per trade. Whenever you buy something or sell something, you're going to be charged 99 cents. This is kind of crazy because all other trading platforms and stock brokerages have stopped charging fees for trading, but Stockpile still has these fees. Now, first of all, I just want to let you know, Stockpile is awful. It is not a great trading platform at all. I don't suggest you invest huge sums of money with them, but I like to use them as a way to generate credit card spend for all my bank bonuses. If you haven't seen my video on why credit cards are awesome, check that out and you can understand how you can generate thousands of dollars a year by signing up for credit cards and achieving the credit card sign-up bonuses because they all have spend requirements. Now, an example is spend $3,000 in 90 days, they give you $500. So that's why I use Stockpile to buy stocks with a credit card. Now, I have messed up in this video a few times, so a little Easter egg here. You're gonna see the video jump a few times in the recordings. If you look closely, you can find where the cuts are. There are 3 ways to buy stocks with Stockpile using your credit card. Now, you could buy stocks for yourself, you could gift them digitally to someone else, or you can print out a gift card, or you can buy a gift card in a store. Now, you might be interested in the first and the third one. Doing something weird there. But the first one because it has low fees, and the third one in case you want some type of bonus spend at an office store or a pharmacy or a supermarket if they sell Stockpile cards. Now, I highly don't recommend buying Stockpile physical gift cards because the fees are insane. You have to make so much money in that stock for you just to break even. So I highly suggest forgetting every other option using Stockpile and just buying directly for just your account. Stockpile only offers these other stock buying options because they market themselves as the only platform where you can gift stocks to another person. Now, that is technically true and technically not true because you're really gifting them the cash value. These gift cards are only worth the money you paid for them. So if you buy $100 of Amazon stock and then you give it to someone and they don't redeem it for like 10 years, that card is still worth only $100. It is not an actual stock value. It's just a gift card you can redeem for a very specific stock. So if you do gift it to someone, they're going to need to redeem it right away, but the fees are so high that it's not even worth it. So with the Stockpile physical gift card, the $100 card is the best value, but you're paying $8 in fees, which means that stock is going to have to go up 8% just for you to break even on that money. 3% is more reasonable because you can justify that if you're getting 2% cash back on your credit card anyway, and you're getting a sign-up bonus. Buying and selling stocks on Stockpile is awful because, first off, there's that 99-cent fee. Second of all, there is no trade and price control. If you submit a buy or sell order, those orders initiate at the close of the market. So they happen around 4 p.m. Eastern time. Whatever that price is, which means, yeah, if the stock tanks at the end of the day and you're selling, you're out of luck. If you're buying, you're in a lot of luck. I happened to get lucky when using Stockpile and I bought low, sold high. As they say, yeah, buy on red days, sell on green ones. As an investor, I actually am mildly experienced. I've been investing for a few years, and you should know I should not give any financial advice because I'm not a registered financial advisor. So these are not suggestions. I'm just explaining my experiences and my train of thought. So more on the Stockpile trading platform. It's very weak. Yeah, you can't set your prices for your buy or sell orders. They're all market orders at the end of day. So it's not something you'd actually seriously invest on. Now, if you're buying stocks with a credit card on Stockpile or debit card, that's still a 3% fee plus 99-cent trade. With a cash purchase, that is still a 99-cent trade. And whenever you're buying stocks, you're limited to $2,000. You can make any purchase between $1,000 and $2,000 using Stockpile. That is very limiting, which means they're targeting the less advanced consumer. I guess they're really targeting the beginner investors because they'll invest smaller amounts, they might not be comfortable investing, and they only want to buy blue chip stocks. With Stockpile, they have physical gift cards that you can redeem for mostly blue chip stocks like Nike, Facebook, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway. But on their website, you can actually buy almost any stock that you could on Robinhood. Speaking of Robinhood, if you're wondering if you can buy stocks using a credit card on Robinhood, you cannot. You cannot use a credit card to buy stocks on other brokerages. Only Stockpile allows it. But they are the worst stock brokerage around because they have fees and they have a very limited trading platform. With Stockpile, the stocks are fractional, which means you can buy an exact dollar amount. So if you want to buy $2,000 worth of Tesla, you can buy that. That's $2,000 of Tesla shares, which could be like 4.2735 shares. Now you could even get that even smaller. If you want to buy Berkshire Hathaway, you can own a small fraction of Berkshire Hathaway. It doesn't really matter how many shares you have. What really matters is how much your portfolio changes. So obviously you might not have enough for a full share of Tesla, but if it goes up 10%, your money still goes up 10%. I'm not saying invest in Tesla. I'm saying that this is how the platform works and what happens when you invest with fractional shares. If you're new to investing, I suggest looking into ETFs because they are a compilation of curated stocks and they move much slower and are much safer if you are doing some long-term investing or if you don't want to see wild swings in the stock price. I do a little bit of that, but I gamble. That means I pick individual stocks that I think are going to go up, but sometimes go very down. Now, as for my experience using Stockpile, I have gotten super lucky. I guess my luck is that the market is relatively green for a lot of different tech stocks, so I've been in the green, but only with Stockpile. I've done significantly less well in my actual trading account with Schwab. So it's kind of funny as I'm testing out Stockpile, I'm making more percentage-wise on my money than I am on my Schwab account. But that is more diversified for for drops because I'm very afraid of a market crash. So here is what happened when I bought stocks. I've bought stocks using an American Express card and Capital One. There have not been any cash advance fees. If you do get a cash advance fee, I highly recommend calling the bank and asking them to waive it. Like, hey, I got charged a cash advance fee. I didn't know this was going to happen when I made this purchase. I wasn't aware. Is there any chance that you can waive this as a one-time courtesy because it would really help me out? You just have to say something along those lines and your fee will be waived. I recommend calling and not doing this over text message because when you call someone, you can really resonate your feelings with them as far as like, hey, this fee is hurting me and I need you to stop that pain. So I've had bank fees, all of them, cash advance fees, late fees, interest fees, or finance charges. And I've had them waived in the past just by calling and saying, oh, I forgot to make this payment. I'm sorry, I made the payment now. Can you please waive this fee? Or like, oh, I didn't know I was gonna get charged this fee. And you just explain the situation. And if they could do it as a one-time courtesy, that works really well. So that is one of the best tips you can get for watching this video, and it's worth a like. Subscribe if you want more finance tips because I'm Full Value Dan and I like saving money and making money. Recapping, when you buy a stock on Stockpile, it costs 3% plus a 99-cent trade fee. Buying the stock means it buys at the close of market that day. And you have to put in that trade before 3 p.m. The market closes 4 p.m. Eastern time. So 3 p.m. Eastern time, if you put that trade in, you are going to buy that stock that day. Then the next day, the stocks are in your accounts and you can sell that stock. After you sell that stock, it's going to activate that trade or initiate that trade at the market close. The next day, that cash is going to appear as unavailable cash in your account. The next business day, that's going to convert to actual cash where you can withdraw it back to your bank account with no fees. So if you want to avoid the fees on Stockpile, you're going to want to transfer money in and out using a bank account. I highly don't recommend transferring money into your Stockpile account. I highly recommend using your credit card for those bonus miles and cash back. I don't know why I said it. I don't know why I emphasized those words. It came out weird, but hey, this is Full Value Dan, and that's how you get those bonuses. There is this weird glitch with Stockpile. With Stockpile, after you sell any stock, that cash switches from the stock value to unavailable cash, and then the next business day, after one business day of having no available cash, then that gets converted to cash. Now, Stockpile has this really weird glitch. So let's say you have $2,000 in available cash, and then you have another $1,000 in stock. If you sell any of that stock, and then you have unavailable cash, let's say you sell that full $1,000, and then that $1,000 is supposed to turn into unavailable cash. Okay, understandable, no problem. You're finalizing these transactions. But then that $2,000 of available cash you have also becomes unavailable. So watch out for that. If you're not in a rush, you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, it's this weird glitch that locks up your money and you need to be aware of that. Additionally, I use a Barclays business account and I will have a review on that soon. And my Barclays business credit card did not receive a cash advance fee. So far, been pretty lucky. I don't think there will be any cash advance fees when using Stockpile, but look out for it just in case you are charged one. So this could be potentially one of the best ways to manufacture spend. To recap, yes, you can buy stocks using a credit card, using a Stockpile that has a 99-cent per trade fee and a 3% credit card fee. It also includes a 3% debit card fee, and just a suggestion, never use your debit card to buy stocks with Stockpile because you're paying 3% on money you already have. So use that credit card, get those credit card rewards, and if you want to learn more, I got more information in the description below that outlines everything you need to know about Stockpile to buy stocks with a credit card. And if you're wondering if you can buy stocks on other platforms like TD Ameritrade, Schwab, Robinhood, Webull, no. You cannot buy stocks with a credit card on those platforms. Only Stockpile will allow you to buy stocks with a credit card. Now, a lot of people push Webull, and I'm wondering about that, and Webull's awful. Webull is like the worst trading platform and most frustrating one I've been on. I really don't like the app, but they are very strong on the sign up bonus. They're always like pushing notifications to your phone like, hey, refer some friends, refer some friends. I'll do a Webull review in the future if you're interested, but oh, it's bad. It's bad. Like you cannot day trade there even if you have like $25,000 in the account, where Robinhood would allow you to do that. I actually love Robinhood. Robinhood is super slick. Now, I have gone way off topic and this video has been way too long. Like, subscribe. This has been Full Value Dan. Watch more videos because you'll learn something. Okay, bye.